I'd like to thank all of the business partners that make Vantage the great program that it is, especially our gold partners. Tim Meester is one of the great believers in Vantage and advocates tirelessly for our program. His contribution over the years has been multifaceted. He volunteers as a guest instructor, as a mentor, as a Best Buy project sponsor, as a competition judge, as an advisory board member, and just an all-around champion of the program.
It's exciting to see just the raw potential that these kids have, and it reminds us that when your eyes are wide open, you can accomplish anything.
Mike Dion is one of the great Vantage ambassadors. He's a mentor and has shared his knowledge as a guest instructor on multiple occasions in design and marketing and global business. Most recently, Mike organized opportunities for our students to attend various promotional events during the Super Bowl week.
They listen to what you say, they act upon what you say, and they really value your opinion. So it's been a great experience for me. It gives me a lot of energy. It makes me smile.
Jim Gratz is the Senior Vice President of R&D at SunOpta. SunOpta has been a great partner for our newest Vantage strand, Global Food Sustainability, Economics, and the Environment. SunOpta is an organic and non-GMO privately held company that creates innovative food products. This business model has really resonated with our students. SunOpta's involvement in Vantage is much broader and deeper than most first-year sponsors. They hosted an all-day learning experience in the fall where our students visited large-scale organic farms and processing facilities for corn and soy in southern Minnesota.
The kids are super motivated and they're legitimately smart. So you are going to get good ideas, probably unique ideas.
While we are very grateful for our large company partnerships, we feel it is just as important for our students to gain perspective from small business owners and entrepreneurs. Jesse Parker was one of the founders of Aspire Beverage Company. He sponsored a project last year with Aspire and shared his experience starting and ending that company. He is now the owner of Hockey Stop and sponsored 2 separate projects this school year. We appreciate his approach to Vantage projects, taking time to mentor students along the way.
You really get into it, put some time into it, listen to what the kids have to say. Listen to what they're trying to tell you about your business. They have very creative ideas, fresh ideas. Every business, whether you're a corporation or a startup, whatever stage of business you're in, needs a fountain of youth. You got to have fresh ideas coming from somewhere. Vantage is a great fountain of youth.
Barb Click is the CEO of Shalom, a senior housing facility. She participates as a mentor as well as a project sponsor at Vantage. Our health sciences strand attended a site visit where students learned about nutrition, social work, and physical therapy for the elderly. Barb and Shalom have helped champion the significant growth of our health sciences strand, and we're excited about plans to work together in the coming school year.
We all have been given much, and I know along my career people have mentored me. And so when I'm asked to mentor others, I always feel like this is my opportunity to give back.